begin with a warm and joyful welcome. To make this special day even more memorable, our students are ready to present a beautiful welcome song. Let's welcome our respected guests with cheerful hearts and smiling faces. Thank you, everyone. Now it's time to add more color and energy to our celebration. Please put your hands together for the talented students of classes 1A, 1C, 2A and 3B who are set to present a wonderful dance performance on the special Parents' Day. Let's encourage our young stars with a big round of applause. Thank you, everyone.
Clap loudly, all of you.
Mummy Papa, Mom and Dad, Ai Baba, Ammi Abbu, we call them by different names, but their importance in our lives is the same. So on this special occasion of Parents' Day, let's take a moment to appreciate and thank our parents for being our pillars of strength.
माँ जैसी दुनिया में कोई नहीं, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड मेरी माँ। थोड़ी सी क्यूट है, थोड़ी सी करारी भी, थोड़ी सी कूल है, थोड़ी सी पुरानी भी। जैसे गर्मी में ठंडा सा शरबत, खट्टा मीठा सा, जैसे सर्दी में चाहत का कोई कंबल मोटा सा। मेरी मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी मेरी अम्मी जो है। मेरी परवरिश के लिए जिसने अपनी नींदों को कुर्बान किया है, खुद को मुश्किलों में डाल के मेरा जीना आसान किया। तेरे होने से मेरे सारे दुख हो जाते हैं गुम, मेरी दोस्त, मेरा सब कुछ हो तुम।
जब चोट कभी मेरे लग जाती थी, तो आँख तेरी भी तो भर आते थे। एक छोटी सी फूंक से तेरी सभी दर्द मेरे होते थे गुम। आज भी कोई चोट लगे तो याद आती हो, याद आती हो तुम। आज भी मेरी आँख भरे तो याद आती हो, याद आती हो तुम। मेरी माँ, मेरी जन्म जन्म तो तू ही मेरे पास माँ। जन्म जन्म तो तू ही ज़मीं आसमां। ये है खबर दिल में कहीं अब रहता है मगर मेरे नाम है तेरी भोली भाली मेरी माँ। मेरे नाम है तेरी भोली भाली मेरी माँ। आज जो कुछ भी हूँ बना, डैडी हो तुम ही उसकी वजह। तुझसे ही चलने के काबिल हुआ मैं, डैडी हो तुम ही उसकी वजह। कानों पे चढ़ के भोंसले करके देखी सभी दुनिया तुमसे शुरू मेरा जान, तुम ही मेरे हो आसमां, तुमसे शुरू मेरा जान, डैडी तुम मेरी हो आसमां। अकेले हम, अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या हम। तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान,
Oh, I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान,
But you love me, Daddy.
तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान,
Oh, I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान।
But you love me, Daddy.
चलते चलते खंधे पे, अंधेरे से सीने से।
मैंने मारा साथ बड़े हैं इस जीवन के रास्ते, बेफिक्री हो इन पे चलती हूँ मैं हंसते हंसते। कोई मुसीबत आई कहीं तो पापा है ना, पापा है ना, पापा है ना, पापा है ना।
दुनिया मेरे सुपर हीरो को नहीं जानती, पर मेरा सुपर हीरो ही मेरी दुनिया है। आई लव माय डैडी, माय सुपर हीरो।
अंबर पे मेरे एक ही तारा, वो एक तारा हो तुम। ना कोई खुदा मेरा तेरे सिवा, मेरा जग सारा हो तुम। मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा कोई नहीं है वहाँ। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम। तुम्ही तो है ये रास्ते मेरे लिए। Thank you, Mom, and thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom, and thank you, Dad. Thank you for the love you give every single day. Happy, happy Paris Day. Happy, happy Paris Day. We love you in every way. Happy Parents' Day.
अरे दीदी टेबल लगाओ, टेबल हो पीछे हो जाओ।
It was an amazing performance. Now class 3A students are going to present a skit, Importance of Parents. Our life without parents is like a rainbow without colors. I can't imagine a day without them. But we realize their value when they are not in front of us. So give a big round of applause for class 3A students. The skit depicts a day when children wake up to find their parents missing, leading to the house as they struggle to manage household tasks. Through their challenges, they come to realize the immense effort and love their parents put into their daily lives. The day concludes with a heartfelt reunion where the children express their gratitude and appreciation for their parents on Parents' Day. Scene 1. A day before. A normal morning, the birds are chirping, the sun is shining, the alarm clock rings. Mother, wake up at 4, collects all the books, notebooks, socks, and prepares lunch. It's 6 o'clock. It's time to wake up. Get up. It's time to go to school. Hurry up. Come with me for a walk. Do some exercise. Oh no, please 5 minutes more. No, Dad, please all keep quiet. I don't want to go for a walk. Mom, please do my homework. I didn't do. It's not fair. Get up fast. I am preparing breakfast and lunch. I am getting late for office. Please get up. Mom, I didn't get my socks. Today I want 3 white sheets for project. But you didn't inform me yesterday. Give me now. You should inform yesterday. Oh, van has come. My bag is not ready. I'm hungry. Okay, I will pack your bag. Eat it fast. They rush to school, but get closed. They return home. Today seemed like any other ordinary morning. The birds were chirping, the sun was shining, but something was different. The house was quite too quiet. Usually the aroma of breakfast would fill the air, and Mom's voice would echo through the rooms, calling, "Time to wake up." But today there was no such voice. No smell of coffee, no footsteps from Dad. The 3 children were about to experience a day without their parents. Where is Mom? They are usually up before us. I checked their room, it's empty and bed is made. That's not normal. Maybe they went out early, but they didn't even leave a note. I am hungry. Who is going to make breakfast? I don't know how to cook. How will I get a bath? I don't know how to put up uniform. I didn't pack my school bag. Where is my homework notebook? You have to do your work yourself. I can't manage all these things. Even I am also searching my socks, which I threw here. Van has come. We are not ready. Oh, Dad, where are you? We are getting late. Oh, Mom. properly, but we never listen. God, please send them back. We will never misbehave with them. Doorbell rings. Oh, Mom and Dad, where were you? We miss you a lot. We went for morning walk. You were sleeping, so we thought to take rest. But I am hungry. I have not done my homework. Where is my uniform? Where are my socks? How will I go to school? But today is Sunday. Oh no, how will you do this? We promise you never hurt you.
If you want a smile on your parents' face,
Always respect them. Greet them with a smile. Keep your things properly. Do homework timely. Pack your bag in the evening. Help them in small world.
happy everyone, happy Parents' Day to all of you.
It was really very impressive performance. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Rupa ma'am for a talk about Founders Day.
Thank you, Alia. Good morning, respected sir, principal ma'am, dear teachers, parents, and my dearest students. It is a profound privilege to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate our Founders Day, a moment that stands a cornerstone in the history of our institution. Today, we are not simply making the passage of time in our calendar. We are honoring a journey, a shared dream, and a deep enduring commitment to education and character building. Take a moment to look around. This campus, our classrooms, the library, and the playground are physical manifestation of the foresight and dedication of our founders. They envisioned the temple of knowledge where learning is joyful, growth is natural, and values like integrity, empathy, and service are foundation of everything we do. They laid the building blocks, putting their blood, sweat, and tears into a building, a community where every student could flourish. The foundation of this school was the vision of a lady to inbuild discipline, punctuality, and manners in each and every child. She recognized each child with his name and knew every weakness as well as hidden talent. She was not building a school, she was building good citizens, future pillars of this society. As someone says, education is simply the soul of a society as it passes from one generation to another. Today, on this Founders Day, it is also a time for us to look inward. While we celebrate our founders, we must also recognize that an institution's true wealth lies in its people. I want to extend my deepest gratitude to our teachers and staff, the torchbearer who continue to nurture the seeds planting long ago. They guide and shape the character of children every single day. And the students, the day is equally about you. Every academic achievement, every sports victory, and every act of kindness adds a brilliant new chapter to our school's legacy. As we celebrate our history, we must look to the future. Our founders provided the platform, but the responsibility of keeping our foundation strong falls squarely on our shoulders. Let us pledge to carry the core values. You learn here courage, resilience, and compassion into the world. So now commit to not only striving for excellence in your studies, but also to being good human beings. Let us leave here today inspired by the past and motivated to make our founders proud of the future we are building. Thank you to everyone who has planned today's beautiful celebration, and happy Founders Day to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words always motivate us. Now, class 2C is going to present a talk on Founders Day. Please clap loudly to motivate them. Thank you. My name is Hitanshi. We study in class 2C. Today I am going to speak Founders Day. Good morning everyone. Today we celebrate Founders Day. We remember our beloved principal ma'am. She loved children very much. She taught us good values. She inspired us to learn and grow. We are proud to be students of this school. We will always follow her teachings. Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance. Happy Founders Day. Follow good values. Obey our teachers. United and help others.
Never give up. Do our best every day.
Do our best every day. Encourage your friends. Respect everyone. Thank you, all of you. Now, Shivanya of class 2B will recite a poem. Thank you.
मेरा नाम शिवन्या है। सुप्रभात आदरणीय अध्यापकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आज मैं आपके सामने स्थापना दिवस पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। आज का दिन है सबसे न्यारा, हमारे स्कूल का उत्सव प्यारा। संस्थापक जी को शत शत प्रणाम, जिनसे मिला शिक्षा का आराम। ज्ञान संस्कार और अच्छी सीख, यही है उनकी सबसे बड़ी सीख। गुरुजन देते हमें उजियारा, जीवन बनता सुंदर और प्यारा। हम सब मिलकर वचन निभाएं, मेहनत से आगे बढ़ते जाएं।
धन्यवाद मैम।
Very good performance. Good morning, Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Ranju Sir, dear parents and my dear students. Now we come to one of the most exciting moment of today's celebration, the prize distribution ceremony. Success comes to those who work hard with dedication, sincerity and determination. Today we are proud to recognize and honor our talented students for their outstanding achievement. May I would like to request our Honorable Director Sir to grace the stage and present the award to our talented student. Yes sir, Director Sir, please come. May I would like to request our Honorable Director Sir to grace the stage. Yes, clap loudly all of you. Yes, loudly we should loudly speak. Good morning, sir.
Now, good morning everyone. We will call out the best students. They will come here. I'll request the parents also to come, and the prize will be given by the teachers of those students to the parents. Please announce.
Good morning all of you. And now comes the most awaited moment, the Best Student Award. This special award is presented to students who have shown excellence in academic, discipline, confidence and overall personality. This award is for the previous academic years. So I request Class 3A Vedai parents, please come on the stage. Clap for Vedai. She is getting the Best Student Award for the previous academic year, Class 2A. And please, I request Neeru ma'am, please come on the stage. Clap loudly for Vedai. Please motivate the student. She is getting the Best Student Award. Please clap loudly. All of you, please clap loudly. Yes. For class 2B, now she is in Kritika in 3B. I request Garima ma'am to please come on the stage. Kritika, parents of Kritika, please come on the stage. Kritika's parent, please come on the stage. Yes, Kritika's grandfather is here to take the Best Student Award. Clap loudly for Kritika. Next year you will also get the prize. Yes. Now I request parents of Ridhansh, Now is in 4A, previous 3A. And Rupa ma'am, please come on the stage. Clap loudly for Ridansh, getting the Best Student Award. Clap loudly. Yes. Now class 3B. Bhavya J, parents, please come on the stage. Parents of Bhavya J, please come on the stage. And Divya ma'am, please come on the stage. Class 3B. Now he's in 4B. Clap loudly for Bhavya J. Clap loudly. Don't stop clapping. All of you clap loudly. They will. Very good. Next year we will clap for you. Yes. Congratulations to all our winners. May this achievement encourage you to dream bigger, work harder, and continue making our school proud. Now, a teacher's regular presence reflects dedication, discipline, and commitment towards students and the school. Today, we are proud to honor the teachers whose punctuality and outstanding attendance have set a wonderful examples of everyone. It is now time to present a Best Attendance Award. Yes, Poonam Sharma ma'am, she is getting the Best Attendance Award. Please clap for Poonam Sharma ma'am. Clap loudly for your teacher. Clap loudly. Mrs. Pratibha ma'am, please come on the stage to get the prize. Loud clapping for Pratibha ma'am.
Incidentally, Pratibha is the Bhabhi ji or she is the Bhabhi? You are Bhabhi. और वो क्या हुई? No, not Bhabhi. It's a coincidence.
And the third, same prize goes to Ruchika ma'am. Please clap loudly, the favorite teacher of our school. Clap loudly, all of you. She is your favorite teacher. Yes, teachers are guiding lines who nurture young minds with love, patience, and dedication. Their hard work shapes the future of every child. As a small token of our gratitude, we would now like to honor our teachers from class 1 to 4 and after that the nursery to I. Yes, please teachers from class 1A teacher, Neelu ma'am. Neelu ma'am, please come on the stage. Be in a line. After that, Neha ma'am. Then Sunita ma'am. 1C. Clap loudly for Neelu ma'am. 1A teacher. One B Neha ma'am. The most of the art and craft work done by the Neha ma'am. All the flowers and all the beautiful things done by ma'am only. Clap loudly for Neha ma'am. 1C, Sunita ma'am, clap loudly. 2A, Neeru ma'am, clap loudly for Neeru ma'am. Garima ma'am, class teacher of 2B, clap loudly for Garima ma'am. And after that, myself, class teacher of class 2C. Wait a moment. Then, class teacher of 3A, Rupa ma'am. Clap loudly. Class teacher of 3B, Divya ma'am. Clap loudly for Divya ma'am. Now the next, Kirti ma'am, class teacher of 4A. Now again, class teacher of 4B, Poonam Sharma ma'am. Now I would like to, subject teachers please be near the stage. Loud clapping for Poonam ma'am getting the second. Again, Hindi teacher of class 1 and 2, very hardworking Pratibha ma'am, please clap loudly. Again getting the second, guys. Our computer teacher Sanya ma'am. Next is our favorite teacher, games teacher Ruchika ma'am. Next favorite teacher Hina ma'am, our music teacher. Next is our Ashna ma'am. Without that, no timetable, nothing is possible. Please welcome Ashna ma'am. Then again office teacher Shubhangi ma'am. Please welcome Shubhangi ma'am. Please welcome Shubhangi ma'am. Clap loudly all of you. Now welcome Kanishka ma'am. Kanishka ma'am, please come on the stage. Clap loudly. Now I request ID teachers, please come near the stage. Ritu ma'am, nursery A. Handling the nursery students is quite tough. Clap for Ritu ma'am. Nursery A class teacher. Please clap loudly. It doesn't mean the nursery students are not there. You will clap loudly. Yes. Dimpi ma'am, nursery B. Nursery B, clap loudly for your teacher. All of you clap loudly. Pooja ma'am, LKG A. Pooja ma'am for LKG A, clap loudly. Anuradha ma'am, LKG B. Anuradha ma'am, LKG B. Jyoti ma'am, UKG A. Jyoti ma'am, UKG A. Monica ma'am, UKG B. Thank you all of you.
Good morning, dear parents,
उधर तेरा भी रखा हुआ है.
all the teachers and dear children. I must thank all of you for making this Founders Day an excellent day for all of us. I would say this is the most important day in the history of the school. Now, you can speak volumes on this, but those children and those teachers who have been associated with Manu ma'am, they are the best who can tell about her. Now I'll request Ranchul to come and say a few words. After that, there's a small exhibition for the parents and for all the children. So this exhibition, I'll request the parents to, while they are going back, they should have a look and encourage the young scientists, the budding children to gain more confidence and explain their models to you. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, all of you. Whenever I come in the morning, I am very happy to see the smile on the children. And then when some teachers, they don't have a smile, then I ask them कि पहले तो I observe कि थोड़ी देर देखता हूँ what happens. And then I ask कि something wrong? What happened? Then the things keep coming in. So I welcome all the parents to bless us on this occasion of the Founders Day, and it is great to have you over here. And the students and the teachers, they put up a beautiful show. I am very happy. We have organized a small exhibition. The students have worked really very hard, and I want you, the parents, to ask questions on what these things are, because now we are raising the standards of the school to a next level. We are inculcating experiential learning. What they see, what is happening, they tell about that. All the things are related to the problems which are ongoing. Please have a look and then ask the questions. Lastly, I would like to thank all of you, all the students, all the teachers, and all the parents. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. We are truly honored by your presence. Congratulations to all the winners. Your hard work and commitment have made us proud. Let's give them a huge round of applause. We also congratulate to all the students and teachers. Remember, every effort is a step towards success. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining. Thank you everyone for making our prize distribution ceremony a memorable one. Now we warmly invited all our respected parents to visit our science exhibition, where our young innovators have displayed their creativity and scientific thinking through a variety of wonderful model and projects. We requested everyone to kindly proceed to the exhibition area and encourage our students by appreciating their hard work and innovative ideas. Thank you, and we hope you all enjoy the science exhibition and the today's celebration. Clap loudly. Now I request to the parents, please visit to exhibition area.
Rivers, lake, ocean and underground. Finally, from the cycle start again and nature provide us fresh water.
Now class 4A standard. Only 4A. Now class 2A stand up. 2A stand up. Ready? Please stand up.
Wash cars, it helps us save attention to that wasting rainwater, clearing or clearing by not touching Come on.